Today we discuss the Massey Ferguson 2605h tractor. Stick around to learn more. Massey Ferguson manufactures their tractors split between three main geographic locations in France, Brazil, and China. They also have a manufacturing facility in Kansas, which is in the United States. There are 4 facilities in Brazil, which account for the bulk of production of Massey Ferguson equipment, not just the 2605h. The Massey Ferguson 2605h began production in 2017 and is still being produced as of 2024. The tractor originally sold for $20,336 in 2017 and now goes for around $35,000, depending on features in 2024. The 2605 commonly came with an 8-speed gear transmission with 8 forward gears and 2 reverse. Another option is the 8-speed shuttle sync transmission. This provides 8 forward gears and 2 reverse and allows for shifting while moving. The tractor has a split torque clutch. The 2605 commonly comes with either 2-wheel drive sliding mesh or mechanical front-wheel drive 4-wheel drive. This is also known as front-wheel assist and can be turned on and off via lever or button engagement. The differential lock is engaged by the right side heel pedal. The 2605 engine is built with a Simpson 2.6-liter 3-cylinder 158.9 cubic inch turbocharged intercooled diesel engine. The engine produces 55 horsepower and is rated at 2,000 RPM. The fuel system uses electronic high-pressure common rail. The emissions control system is exhaust gas recirculation, EGR, with diesel oxidation catalyst, DOC. The fuel tank holds 14.5 gallons of fuel. Again, the engine produces 55 horsepower and the PTO specifications claim 46 horsepower. The PTO on 2-wheel drive models is live and on the 4-wheel drive models is independent. The PTO produces 540 RPM. The rear hitch is rated to lift 2,755 pounds. The hitch supports both Category 1 and Category 2 implements and has extendable lower links. The hydraulic pump is a Mark 1A Scotch yoke piston pump. The hydraulic flow at the remote is 10.6 gallons per minute and the total hydraulic flow is 15.7 gallons per minute. The tractor comes with power steering standard and no cabin for the operator. The operator station is a semi-platform with left side entry. The seat is a reverse rise adjustable seat, and the steering wheel is in a fixed position. The brakes utilize oil-immersed wet disc brakes for stopping power. The 2-wheel drive 2605 weighs 4,894 pounds without ballasts, and the 4-wheel drive weighs 5,394 pounds. For the 2-wheel drive model, the front tire size was 6/16 and the rear was 13.628 from the factory. The 4-wheel drive model featured front tires of 9.524 and rears of 14.928. The electrical system on the tractor utilizes a 12-volt negative ground configuration. Each had an onboard generator for charging. Thank you for watching this video. Please help support us by clicking like and subscribe. Please visit the links in the description. This also helps support this channel and allow us to come out with more content.